Welcome to Lesson 8. Today, user input and script arguments. Make your scripts interactive. Let us begin. The read command captures user input. Use echo-n with read to prompt on one line. ZSH has a shorthand with read and a question mark. The question mark separates variable from prompt. Let us create an interactive input script. The shebang tells the system to use ZSH. Echo-n prompts, then read captures the answer. We repeat for age with a different prompt. This line uses ZSH read shorthand with question mark. Finally, we print all three values back. Let us review with BAT, then run the script. Each prompt waited for input before continuing. Scripts receive input through arguments. $1 and $2 refer to each argument. $@ gives all arguments, $# the count. Arguments are separated by spaces. Let us create a script showing its arguments. $0 prints the script name. $1, $2, and $3 capture each positional argument. $@ and $# show all args and the count. Let us review the complete script. We run it with hello, world, and foo. Each $ variable maps to its position correctly. ZSH provides special variables for scripts. $$ gives the current process ID. $? holds the last exit status. Default values use :- for a fallback. Let us build a script with special variables. :- provides guest as a fallback. Same for port, defaulting to 8080 if missing. $$ expands to the process ID. We run a failing command to test $? Let us review the script, then run it twice. Without arguments, guest and 8080 are used. With arguments, Alice and 3000 override the defaults. Exit status 1 means the ls command failed. Getopts parses dash options like -n. A colon after a letter means it takes a value. OPTARG holds the value for each option. A case statement handles each option in the loop. Let us create a script with getopts option parsing. We set default values for name and age. The option string n:(a:)h defines our flags. Each case branch assigns OPTARG to the variable. The H option prints usage and exits immediately. After the loop, we print name and age. Let us review with BAT, then test the script. -nAlice -A25 sets both values. -H shows usage instructions and exits. getopts makes scripts feel professional. Let us recap Lesson 8. Read captures interactive input. Dollar variables handle script arguments. Special vars give process info and defaults. Next, conditionals and if statements. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Hit the bell for new lesson alerts. See you in the next one.